And we are now getting updates from the Bombay High Court, and this is the Kangana versus Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation case. The hearing is underway. High Court has asked Shiv Sena Sanjay Raut to clarify on abusing Kangana Ranaut, and in return MP Raut has said, and I quote here, did not refer to Kangana in my comment. Remember, why Sanjay Raut now significant to the BMC versus Kangana face-off in the court? Raut will be filing an affidavit on the alleged abuse to Kangana Ranaut as well. Tomorrow, there's a counter affidavit that is expected. He had been made a party. Vidya is joining us. Vidya has been tracking all the latest on that. Vidya, so finally Sanjay Raut does make a presence at the hearing as well. Tell us all about what was said by him.
Well, Sanjay Raut was represented by his lawyer Pradeep Thorat,
Yes.
and Thorat very categorically said that in the transcript of a news channel which has been given to the court, in that entire transcript, Sanjay Raut is not referring to Kangana Ranaut at all. So that irked the court very big. And in fact, the court very categorically said, both of you, that is Kangana, because Kangana has not really put all the tweets. In her statement across the court, she has been telling that, it is because of my tweets I have been talking against this government. That
Yes.
is the reason why this entire action was taken. But she has not really attached all those tweets, and which is the reason why the court said, both of you, that is Raut and Ranaut, both should come clean on this entire issue. Put both your statements. What have you done? What have you said? That needs to be put across, and that is the reason why the court has asked Sanjay Raut as well as to tell us whether you actually used a word, abusive word against the woman or not, against Kangana Ranaut.
Okay.
So all that has to really, come across tomorrow. Sanjay Raut will have to put across a affidavit stating what exactly is the position in this case. And in the meantime, Birendra Saraf, who is representing Kangana Ranaut, has been telling the court as to how this entire action of BMC was nullified because of one incident of a tweet. It is because of that tweet that the BMC took this entire action against Kangana Ranaut.
Yes.
That is what he's trying to convince the court.
And the hearing is still underway. Vidya will be tracking all the latest and getting us all the updated information as well. Remember, it's a big day. It's what the showdown was really about between Kangana, BMC and the Shiv Sena.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.